Welcome to our channel. If you want to add Grammarly to your web browser to get writing assistance across all your online platforms, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete browser extension installation. Step 1. Visit the Grammarly website at grammarly.com or open your browser's extension store directly. Step 2. For Chrome users, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grammarly. For Firefox, visit Firefox add-ons, and for Safari, check the Safari extensions gallery. Step 3. Click on the Grammarly extension in the search results to open its details page. Step 4. Click Add to Chrome, Add to Firefox, or the equivalent button for your browser to begin installation. Step 5. Review the permissions Grammarly requests. The extension needs access to web page content to check your writing in real time. Step 6. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension when prompted by your browser. Step 7. Wait for the extension to download and install. This usually takes just a few seconds. Step 8. Look for the Grammarly icon in your browser's toolbar. It should appear as a green circle with a white G inside. Step 9. Click on the Grammarly icon to sign into your account or create a new account if you haven't already registered. Step 10. Complete the initial setup by following any on-screen prompts, such as selecting your writing style preferences or connecting to Grammarly Premium if applicable. Step 11. Test the extension by typing in a text field on any website. Grammarly should automatically underline potential errors and suggestions. Step 12. Adjust extension settings by clicking the Grammarly icon and selecting Settings. You can customize which sites Grammarly checks and adjust other preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.